Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials: Visual Studio with Git support and a GitHub account. Now begin. Open Visual Studio, sign into GitHub and Tools, then use Git clone to pull an existing repository or file new to create one. Once done, choose a local folder and set the remote origin. Make sure to enable SSH or HTTPS credential flow. This first step gets your code local and connected, so you can commit, branch, and push without context switching. You're now in the middle of development. Create a feature branch from the branch selector and switch to it immediately. Edit code in the editor, then open Git changes to stage individual hunks or whole files. This lets you craft atomic commits. Once staged, write a concise commit message explaining the why and what, then commit. After local commits accumulate, push your branch to origin so your teammates can see it. This prepares you for a pull request and code review. You're finishing. Open a pull request on GitHub or use Visual Studio's PR integration to compare branches, add reviewers, and describe changes. Once reviewers request edits or conflicts appear, pull the target branch, resolve conflicts in the editor, and run tests locally to confirm behavior. After a successful review and green checks, merge the PR, then pull the merged changes into your local main branch, delete the stale feature branch, and push up.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.